You don't know how to cut. This, if you don't get
make it
right,
easier.
I'll kill you.
I don't know what helping hand I can help you. You need help?
Just keep quiet.
Stay away, demon. We're running out of time. I don't remember Aloo Gobi looking like this at all.
Hello everyone, welcome to the third episode of My Friend Can Cook. A brand new day welcomes a brand new guest. Our guest today, he knew that he wanted to become a star at the age 16. He struggled and worked behind the camera for a couple of years, and he's working on his new chat show called the Mama Drama. So I guess I've given you enough introduction of who is he, and there's none other than Kishan and his friend Sarab.
Hello.
Hello, how are you today?
Come. I think I made a bad choice bringing her along. Because she's a celebrity Indian chef, and you cook for the Prime Minister of India, right?
Yeah.
And every other Bollywood actor that comes here gets fed by her hand.
Today he's going to cook for
The
me.
show is My Friend Can Cook, right?
Yes.
So My Friend Can Cook.
But you can't.
You can. I'll make sure you will.
Okay, cool. So Sarab has actually given our producer 3 recipes.
What did you
and
do?
We have chosen the most difficult one for Kishan to cook today. That
Yeah.
will be aloo gobi with chapati.
Huh?
Oh my God.
You want me to roll bread here?
So we're going to go into the next segment. How well do you know me? Just now I mentioned that you need a lot of tools. So you have to earn your tools.
I have to earn my tools.
Yes. So we have a tong here and we have a pair of really long chopsticks that we use for eating. First question.
Yeah.
What is Sarab's biggest fear?
What do I feel? When what you know I'm trying to...
No, it's okay. It doesn't have to be anything. That's the fun part.
Okay.
I think everybody here wants to see me flip chapatis with chopsticks, lah. Okay.
Okay.
Ma-
Are
to
you
match
ready?
with yours. To match with yours.
So sweet, man.
Okay.
Okay.
3, 2, 1.
Eating the food I'm going to cook.
It's the same.
So I win.
Yes, you won.
I get-
Congratulations.
Yes!
Oh! Okay, so you got a tong.
I get the tongs.
Yes.
See how we're so in sync here.
This will give you the exact measurement. It's a full set of the measuring tools that
It
you have
turns
here.
out right.
Wow.
Correct. And if you screw this question up, you will get all this random. What is this?
There's so many things I could screw.
Yeah. Second question. Okay. What does Sarab usually do during her free time?
I have to think what he knows.
It's
Not
No,
what
you don't have
I...
to think. You don't have
into
to.
your mind.
You know what came to my
Yeah.
mind? Text me. That's what you do on your free time. You text me.
See, he only thinks of himself. 2 things I do. I write both.
Sure.
Which I give him still 2 choices.
It's just like a mommy. She
She makes sure her.
Yeah.
That's why I love her, you know.
3, 2, 1. Show your answers.
On her free time, she likes to go on India retreats.
India
She likes to
retreat.
meditate and detox.
God.
Yeah. Try our new recipes, Charity. So sorry, but I have to give you the random set of tools and you have to
I've
try to
worded it
measure
wrong,
your
I'm
way
sorry.
through.
No, it's okay. That makes the show a bit more fun. Both of us can run. Right.
So you're going to
You have to
fry.
cook with that. You have to
Yeah.
saute with that. This you have to get.
The third question. How long has Sarab been a celebrity chef?
When you were born, you came out a celebrity chef. Bitch, I'm gonna stir with that.
Okay. By the count of 3, show your answers. 3,
12
2,
years.
1. It was 7.
I put 6 at first, and I was like, oh, she's been up there.
Okay, let's move on to the 4th question. So producer, please bring in the tool. So this is the good tool. This is the bad tool.
Okay.
Both are knife.
You ever been to an Indian house?
Yeah.
You open up the kitchen drawer, right?
Mhm.
There's no utensils. We eat in our hands. Big brazen
What you do, you need to cut and chop, you need a knife,
Yeah, yeah.
right?
You need to cut the
How
cauliflower.
are you going to cut the cauliflower, onions, garlic? You got to do so much work today.
Okay, 4th question.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
What is Sarab's proudest achievement?
You know I love you, right?
Yes.
So think about it.
I'm not getting anything out. Okay, let's show your answers.
You're proud of proudest moment is me having you as my mom.
Oh my god, you guys really have that chemistry.
3, you have 2.
You're the third one.
Cool, and with that,
I get the knife.
you get the proper knife
I'm
to
Get
cut
that
the
knife,
things.
I'm so relieved.
Can you imagine I cut the cauliflower and it comes out?
So, Kishan, here are the 2 tools. This is definitely the good one, but if you don't get the rolling pin, then you will have to use a glass bowl to
Roll.
like flatten your chapati. Like.
You know, you'll be struggling rolling that.
No, I just flatten the bed and I make like circles.
Yeah, so even if you get it wrong, you're okay.
Yeah, even if I get it wrong, I'll be very creative about it since it's thing far one.
Number 5 seems very easy. What is Sarab's favorite cuisine?
This, if you don't get
Make it
right,
easier.
I'll kill you.
It's getting serious here.
A dish.
All the knives.
No category, which cuisine, which whatever.
I know what she likes. I know she talks about this in
Show your answer now.
vegetarian Thai food.
Oh,
Did I get that?
I got no.
So how many points did Kishan won? 3. So you got yourself 3
3?
good tools.
Okay, very good.
Congratulations. Not
Yeah.
so bad after all.
Huh?
Yeah. So that's all for the
Okay.
game segment, and we're gonna move on to the cooking challenge. For this segment, the guest and friend has to work together to complete the cooking challenge under 45 minutes. The guest will be putting on headphones throughout the cooking challenge. The recipe will only be given to the friend, thus he or she has to convey the recipe through whichever way possible to guide the guest through the cooking challenge. Both of them have to work together to complete the dish within the time limit. However, there will be 3 lifelines to assist them. First lifeline, helping hand. The friend is able to assist the guest in cooking the dish for 30 seconds. Second lifeline, hear me out. The guest is able to remove the headphone for 30 seconds while the friend gives verbal instruction of the recipe. Third lifeline, tools out. The guest is able to exchange one cooking tool which he feels that is able to aid him in the cooking challenge. Welcome to the cooking challenge. As you can see in front, Kishan, these are all the ingredients that we have prepared for you. So, Sarab is not going to be with you.
Why?
She's going to be like far away over there and giving you instructions. Okay, are we ready?
I'm ready. Yeah,
Cool.
yeah.
Sarab, can I invite you to take a seat over there?
Best of luck.
Thank you.
Okay, and put on this headphone.
The music better be good.
Okay, and now we are ready, and your time starts now.
Flour.
This
flour.
one?
Yes, yes, yes. You don't know how to cut.
Is this what I do?
Little bigger. Big.
Oh, bigger pieces? Okay.
Look, you. Quick, quick. Quick. God.
Okay.
Tomato.
Oh, red chicks for tomatoes. Okay, not bad, huh? You can place your reds. It's not bad, no? Okay, so just half of it or the whole thing? This way? Faster?
Yeah.
I'm more worried about cutting my hand and then adding extra flavor. Okay,
Okay. Now,
the onions. Put it inside here. Okay, then. Okay, next. Dump the whole thing. Yeah, see, we just should have just done that from the start.
now, cauliflower.
It's
Hello.
like mashed potatoes with vegetables. What? Sorry, what?
Cauliflower.
Curry sauce?
Cauliflower.
Cauliflower.
But
Oh, cauliflower is the most important thing.
put inside.
Put inside.
Inside.
Don't cry, I'm making food. Look, gobi doesn't look like this. Huh? Chili.
Helping hand.
Oh, you want to come in? I think she wants to come in. Same thing. I use my helping hand.
And she got 30 seconds, and you can help.
guess.
Okay.
Darling, what am I doing
Cut
wrong?
that cube.
Huh?
Cut potato.
Oh. How does it look so far?
My God, he's done.
I don't know what helping hand I can help you. You need help? No need.
Just keep quiet. Just keep quiet. Okay. You have to wait for it to get cooked.
Okay.
Yeah?
5,
Cooked.
4,
Oh, shit, terrible.
3,
It's okay.
2,
It's okay.
1.
Yeah, yeah,
Oh.
yeah.
Sarab, we gotta come out.
And now you make the
She's
flan.
coming back.
Yeah.
Yes. Resume the time.
But it does smell good though.
This is done. Now you do the chapati.
Do the rolling.
Yeah.
Oh. Thank you. Thank you very much.
No problem. We have got more.
Just clear up the
Shani,
place.
Bini, huh?
Okay.
Okay, so what do I do?
Cup.
You want the cup? This cup?
Yeah.
Okay, then?
2. Little in that flour. Little. And mix.
Is the flour supposed to be like that?
That's wrong.
What do you mean it's wrong?
The other flour.
Can I use the hear me out? Can I use the hear me out? Hello!
Move
Okay.
that bowl. Move the bowl.
Move the bowl. Ugh.
Yeah. Yeah. Quick. Take the other bowl. The clean bowl.
Yeah?
Yes.
Can I wash? Do I wash?
Not that flour. The other bottle of
This one.
flour.
Okay, I wash it
yes.
first.
Yeah.
One,
You got to be quick. You've got very little time left.
2.
Yeah. You've got butter in front of you.
Okay.
Go little by little.
Now this feels better.
Yeah.
Okay, and your time is.
Stay away, demon.
No, I'm.
Stay away.
Chill.
No, then we're running out of time. Yeah.
Yes. Flatten. Put there, and then.
But is this ready?
Last 10 minutes
Is
left.
this ready?
No, but just do it now.
How's this? It's not bad.
Very good. Come on.
It's very good.
Very good.
Let's put it in the pan.
Yeah.
No oil, nothing.
No, just put it. Is it cooking? Can you see? Is it cooking?
Whether it's bubbling,
Yeah. Not
make
yet.
it hotter lah. Hey, I got one more tool left, right? Can I use the one of the helpline thingy? Yeah, tools out. Can I use tools out? Yeah. Can I?
You have everything you need. What do you need your tools out?
No, I thought I really need some help, so I thought I exchanged my tools, which are my hands, for her set of tools, which her hands, Sarab's hands, the celebrity chef's hands.
No, it's tool. It's like rolling.
No, you
yeah.
didn't specify. These are tools. These are kitchen tools. Come.
Oh, that sounds logical.
We don't have-
Since you only have 5 minutes. Okay,
There you
go
go.
for it.
Yeah, come.
Yeah.
Take your time. Hello.
Hi. Move away.
Sorry.
This is the thing is getting burnt.
Oh, shit.
Okay.
What did you do? You need help? No, you good. That's a very nice.
Thank you.
Time is up.
Hi, how are you? I tell you what, why don't you head over
Chef
there?
did a demonstration.
Ooh.
Okay.
After you
She's
can
doing
handle
it.
it.
Chop some of this and add
She's
it.
doing really well. Go.
Okay.
I'm gonna put back your.
Chop this.
Yeah, a little bit. Take out a little bit. Chop fine and put it. Yeah.
Oh, this is
Oh my
nice.
God.
No, it's
Yeah. Okay, it's done.
oh. We hide the ugly one with your nice one.
Yeah.
I don't remember aloo gobi looking like this at all.
Okay. Quick.
Wait lah, put some garnish. Got time? Still got time ah. Then it's done.
You must be very disappointed with Kishan.
He was okay. The final product
Yeah.
is decent, so it's okay.
I have to say the synergy is good. Right, let's try the dish.
Salt is actually literally not there.
Oh, some more salt?
No, not more salt. It's like saltless dish.
Okay.
Other than that, everything is okay.
Healthy.
Oh,
It's healthy.
that was a celebrity chef's expert opinion. Okay,
Yeah.
she said my dish is good, just
Yes,
lacking in salt.
Right.
Yeah, you try. Tell me if I'm right. Take a big piece. Shows you.
I
this
love
so
eating
well.
on your show for your
Yeah.
food, not my food. Yeah,
Have it
Cool.
with the chapati.
Don't forget
but
about
I don't like
chapati.
this aloo gobi one bit.
Is there anything that you like about it?
The gravy is nice and spicy.
Okay.
I like it. I like that.
Cool. Because of all your negative comments, I don't know how am I going to help you to get your fans' vote.
Vote for determination, perseverance, and on beginner's luck. So that's what you should vote
Okay,
for. What do you
that's
think?
it. Yeah.
He really talked a lot, huh?
Yeah, he talks, so he doesn't let anybody else talk.
Okay, that's all for today's cooking show. And thank you, Arizon Kitchen, for the beautiful kitchen, and also Canon for all the camera equipment. That's all for today. Bye!
Bye!